Hi everyone, I'm Alexis and I work for the health plan. Today we're going to be doing a guided lower back stretch. So for people who have desk jobs, lower back pain is a big issue for a lot of people. So we can try some of these stretches out together and see if they help you out. Again, don't do any of these if they're feeling uncomfortable or you're feeling any pain during them. I have a mat here set up. You can also grab a towel or a blanket, any kind of flat surface that you're comfortable on. So let's get started. So for the first one here, just a basic leg stretch, but it's going to be stretching your hamstrings that ride up into your lower back here. And it just brings a lot of things together once you're able to feel more flexible into this stretch. So I have my right leg tucked in, my left leg out. I've been working on this one for quite a while, so if you can't stretch as deeply as me, that's okay. Just do what you can. You're going to want to just basically try and reach towards your opposite foot. So I'm going to reach with both of my hands. Just do what you can. And if this is something where you want it to be a little bit more challenging, you can reach just your head closer to your leg here, so tuck it down more to get deeper into that stretch. And then we're just going to switch legs here. So I'm going to tuck my left foot in, reach my right leg out. And again, we're just going to reach forward towards that right foot. So for our next stretch here, we're going to move up. You're going to want one leg up, one leg down, so kind of like a lunge. And you're going to want to stabilize your hands about midway on your thigh that you have propped up. And then we're just going to lean forward here. And again, you want to feel this through your leg and your thigh, and it goes up into your lower back as well. I'm just going to switch legs here. I like to rock backwards to just kind of reset and then move back into that stretch because it feels a little tight for me. All right, now we're going to move into our next stretch. So for this one, we're going to lay on the ground and then we're going to be crossing our legs. So we're going to move one leg over the other with our back straight on the ground. I'm going to cross my right leg over, and then I'm going to keep my right arm flat in the opposite direction. Just breathe and relax while you're holding this stretch. And then go ahead and switch sides. I'm going to reach my left leg on over. And I'm going to keep my left arm straight out. And then once you're ready, we're going to sit on up here. And we're going to tuck our legs back. So we're going to have our legs scrunched in here while our back is flat on the ground. So get in a comfortable spot. And I like to kind of alternate depending on how much, movement and flexibility I have that day. You can hold your legs tight at your knees or closer to your ankles. So let me show you here. So this one, if you have a little bit tighter of a stretch, if you can, if it's not uncomfortable or painful, pull your knees towards your chest here. If it's not comfortable and you need a little bit more mobility, you can't pull the stretches tight, you can hold your ankles here. This one can be very relaxing. And then once you're ready to move on, we're gonna move into our final stretch here. So for this one, you're gonna wanna have your stomach towards the mat, feet flat, and then we're just gonna move straight up here. So keep your hands flat and push your body up here. Just breathe, and you can move your neck a little bit, stretch that a little bit. You can really feel this in your lower back and engaging your core as well. Okay. And these are all the stretches I have for you today. So I hope these were helpful for your lower back, and maybe you can come back to this video a few times as you have these lower back pains and get a little bit more comfortable with them. Thanks for your time.